Hey global trainers, are you ready to take your training skills to the next level? Join our Train the Trainer program and unlock a world of possibility as well as opportunity. In this program, you learn the art of making and delivering impactful training sessions that resonates with your audience. You also will discover how to cater to different learning styles, which ensures maximum retention and engagement. At the same time, you will master the art of giving constructive feedback by empowering your trainees to grow and excel. You will also explore innovative strategies to test recall and reinforce learning, which is a lifelong training session that has no end. So join us and become a part of the global community of skilled and passionate trainers. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your training approach. Enroll now and begin the journey of professional growth and development today.